Hi everyone! I'm going to walk you through how to install your new screen protector to your SideTrak monitor. First, make sure your SideTrak is unplugged from your laptop. Unfold your monitor and mounting frame. Use the included alcohol wipe to thoroughly clean your screen. Let it dry, and then use the microfiber cloth to give it one last wipe to remove any dust particles. Any dust particles on the screen can cause air bubbles to form. There's a protective plastic film on one side of the protective glass. Start by removing only about an inch of the film on the short side of the screen protector, but be sure to hold it by the edges so that you don't leave fingerprints on the surface. This side will be going face down on the SideTrak. Now, align the exposed part of the screen protector evenly with the edges of the short side of the SideTrak screen, and press lightly so the screen protector adheres to the screen. Once the protector is on the screen, keep it at a low angle and slowly peel off the rest of the plastic film. Use a tool like a credit card to help you lightly press the screen protector onto your SideTrak and to wipe the bubbles out as you go. Slowly work your way from one side of the screen to the other, wiping the air bubbles towards the edges. If you get a lot of bubbles, you can gently lift the screen protector to remove the air bubbles. Take your time wiping out the bubbles. Once the screen protector is fully placed, you won't be able to take the screen protector off without losing adhesiveness. You are all done! Now you can take your well-protected SideTrak monitor with you anywhere you go.